Welcome to my maths class. In this class, we will solve the sums from class 10 NCERT textbook, chapter pair of linear equations in two variables, exercise 3.2, question 2 and 3. Question 2 says solve 2x plus 3y equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24, and hence find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus 3. First we'll solve the equations. 2x plus 3y equal to 11. We will label it as equation 1. 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24. We will label it as equation 2. Now I will take the first equation. I will transpose 3y to the right side. 2x is equal to 11 minus 3y. Now I will divide right side and left side with 2. 2x by 2 is equal to 11 minus 3y, the whole divided by 2. The 2 will get cancelled here. X will be equal to 11 minus 3y, the whole divided by 2. I will label this as equation 3. Substitute the value of x in equation 2. In equation 2. So equation 2 is 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24. In this, we have to, in the place of x, we have to put this. So 2 into 11 minus 3y whole by 2 minus 4y equal to minus 24. So 2 into 11 is 22. Minus 2, 3 is 6, 6y. The whole divided by 2. Minus 4y by 1 is equal to minus 24. Now we will solve these two fractions by cross multiplication. 2 ones are 2. Like this, if you multiply 22 minus 6y minus 8y is equal to minus 24. So 22 minus 14y the whole by 2 will be equal to minus 24. I can put 1 here. Now I'll go for cross multiplication. So 22 minus 14y is equal to minus 48. Minus 14y will be equal to minus 48 minus 22. Minus 14y will be equal to minus 70. I'll divide both sides by minus 14. So minus 14y divided by minus 14 will be equal to minus 70 by minus 14. This 14 will get cancelled here. So y will be equal to, the minus will get cancelled here. 70 by 14, we get 5. So the value of y is 5. Substitute the value of y in equation 3. In equation 3, the equation 3 is x is equal to 11 minus 3y the whole by 2. In the place of y, I have to put 5. So x will be equal to 11 minus 3y, 3 into 5 whole by 2. So it will be equal to 11 minus 15 divided by 2. That's equal to minus 4 by 2. So x will be equal to minus 2. So value of x is minus 2. Therefore, the solution of the equation, the solution of the given equations is x is equal to minus 2, y equal to 5. Now, we have to find out the value of m in this. So, y is equal to mx plus 3. The value of y is 5 here. 5 is equal to m into x minus 2 plus 3. 5 equal to minus 2m plus 3. If you bring 3 to the left side, 5 minus 3 will be equal to minus 2m. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 equal to minus 2m. Now I'll divide both sides with minus 2. 2 by minus 2 is equal to minus 2m by minus 2. Minus 2 will get cancelled there. So minus 2 by 2 will be equal to m. So minus 1 is equal to m. So the value of m is minus 1. The required value of m is minus 1. The third question says, form the pair of linear equations for the following problems and find their solutions by the substitution method. The first sum in this question is, the difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. The difference between two numbers is 26. Now, solution. Let the bigger number be x. Let the bigger number be x. Let the smaller number be y. The sum says the difference between the two numbers is 26. So x minus y equal to 26. This is our first equation. X minus y equal to 26. Now, one number is 3 times the other. So the bigger number x is 3 times the other. So 3y, 3 times the other. x is equal to 3y. This equation, I'll leave it as second equation. Now substitute the value of x in equation 1. In equation 1. Equation 1 is x minus y equal to 26. In the place of x, I have to put 3y. So 3y minus y is equal to 26. 3y minus y is 2y. 2y is equal to 26. I will divide both sides by 2. So 2y divided by 2 will be equal to 26 divided by 2. So y will be equal to, the 2 will get cancelled here, equal to 13. So value of y is 13. Substitute the value of y in equation 1. Equation 1. I'm sorry, it's equation 2. Substitute the value of y in equation 2. The equation 2 is x is equal to 3y. So x will be equal to 3 into 13. X will be equal to 39. X equal to 39. Therefore, the solution bigger number is equal to 39, smaller number is equal to 13. This is the question says the larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Find them. let the larger angle be x degrees. Let the larger angle be x. Let the smaller angle be y. The larger angle exceeds the smaller one by 18 degrees. So now they are supplementary angles. It means what? Their sum is equal to 180 degrees. So I can get the first equation, x plus y equal to 180 degrees. This is the first equation. Now the larger angle exceeds the smaller one by 18. So the larger angle is x, so x will be equal to y plus 18. This is the second equation. Now substitute the value of x in equation 1. In equation 1. X plus y is equal to 180 degrees. So the value of x is y plus 18. So y plus 18 degrees plus y is equal to 180 degrees. So y plus y will be 2y. I will transpose 18 to the right side. 2y is equal to 180 minus 18 degrees. 2y will be equal to 162 degrees. I will divide both sides with 2. So 2y divided by 2 is equal to 162 degrees by 2. So y will be equal to 81 degrees. So the smaller angle is in 81 degrees. Substitute the value of y in equation 2. Equation 2. The equation 2 is x is equal to y plus 18 degrees. So the value of y is 81 degrees. So x will be equal to 81 degrees plus 18 degrees. So x will be equal to 99 degrees. Solution: the required angles are 99 degrees and 81 degrees. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.